Hi everybody, I have an amazing treat for you today. I am going to show you something that I have been using recently for stress relief and part of my beauty regimen. And it's from one of my favorite companies, RENPHO, but they have now developed this heating and cooling eye mask, which I am completely obsessed with. It has a heating mode, a cooling mode, and a heating/cooling mode. So you don't have to do the thinking, it's all electronic, and it will work depending on the mode that you set it to. So I wanted to talk a little bit about this today. I know the holidays are coming up, and this is a wonderful gift for someone special in your life, or even just for yourself. Or if you are big into self-care, which I have been recently into, I think it's a great way to take care of yourself. So we're gonna talk a little bit more about it. I'm gonna show you some of its benefits. The first thing is you can see it comes with a charger, so it's portable, super easy to use. I think that's really important. I travel a lot, so it's great to be able to put in my suitcase or my overnight bag, super easy to use. And also, it has an ergonomic design. So it's a cup shape and you can basically rotate it. Everybody's face is a little bit different. So it goes to 360 degrees and you can basically put it to your comfort level. Also, very cool, there is an auto timer. So you can set it to 3 minutes, 10 minutes, and 8 minutes respectively, depending on the mode that you're at. So what do you guys think about this? I know that you want one. I am such a huge fan of all things RENPHO. You may have seen some of my earlier videos on their exercise bike, on the treadmill. I have some giveaways on Instagram. Stay tuned, follow me on Instagram because I'm always holding special giveaways. You may be lucky, you may get one of these. So I'm gonna show you a little bit how we're gonna use it and how I personally relax. Massage head can be pushed to both sides to increase the size to suit your eye spacing. It can also be rotated 360 degrees to suit your eye socket angle. There are 3 massage modes to create double temperature experience: cold, heat, or cold plus heat cycle. The spoon-shaped massage heads fit the eye to avoid direct pressure to the eyeballs. You don't have to worry about it, it's not uncomfortable at all. There is a 15-second heating or cooling speed. It quickly reaches the preset temperature, and there is an obvious temperature experience which feels super cool. So my favorite part of this is the fact that I can use it to relieve the stress, relieve the fatigue in my eyes. It really helps to circulate the blood, and that's really important to me. I am on my phone and my computer, unfortunately, a lot throughout the day. Sometimes I get migraines, and this has really come in handy to help with the pressure in my eyes and to just circulate the blood and just help my eyes to feel not as fatigued. And then the other part that I absolutely love, which is more in the area of beauty, is that the cold mode helps to decrease the puffiness around my eyes. So I use that sometimes at night or in the morning when I have to do something important and I want my eyes to look fresh. So would love to know what you guys think. Please, if you have any questions, drop them in the comments, and you can also click the link in my description to get one of these for yourself, or again, as a gift. Don't forget, special someone, they would absolutely love this. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I hope that you take some time out of your day each and every day for self-care and to just relax and make yourself feel good. Bye.